Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this video of logging in, I will be showing you how you can fix messenger call problem. Now to do that, open the messenger application. There are a few reasons for this to be shown on your messenger application. Now to do that, what you need to do is you need to first restart your application. You should start fixing the call problem on Facebook by using the traditional method of reboot. This process mainly works if you're using on your laptop or PC. So basically on the messenger application, you just remove the app from the background and then tap open and try the call option once more. This might fix the issue. If not, you can need to check availability. So if you're still having this issue, you can try log out and get logged in into the account once more. This might help the issue to be solved. The another process is you need to check your internet connection. You're having a messenger call that is either video call or audio call. You should check your internet connection, as video call require a stable and fast internet connection. So if you're experiencing problem with your call, it's possible that your internet connection is to blame. So you can just turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn on it once again and connect it properly. Then check your call option once more. The another is you need to update your application. For that, you need to go to the Google Play Store, tap on the search bar and there type in Messenger, tap on search bar, and you need to make sure that your app is up to date. So open the messenger and you need to tap on update to make sure that your messenger is in latest version. Once the update is done, tap on open and you try the call option once more. The another reason might be there's some disconnection. For that, you need to check your device camera and microphone. If you're experiencing problem with audio or video during a messenger call, it's possible that there's an issue with the device camera or microphone. So you make sure that your camera and microphone option is properly set. At the end, all you can do is you can uninstall the application and reinstall the messenger app. This will give you a new start to your account. So these are the few ways how you can fix messenger call problem. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.